And we got another video about this Yamaha MT125 2020 plate. And as I said, every single bike I do the minimum of 5 videos to 20 videos. All the channel is about to actually help you to save your money, and plus to learn stuff doing the bikes and things like this. It will really gonna be helpful for you. So let's crack on. We got so many videos about this bike previously, already about 4 to 5 or even more than that, but this video is going to be about the clutch cable replacement. As you see in here, it's been snapped, so all this through from the left side clutch lever will go all the way down to the yaw clutch thingy in here. Also, I will show you how to adjust it, because you got adjustments in here and also you got adjustments in here. It's pretty easy, but yeah. And let's crack on and I'll show you how to replace the clutch cable on Yamaha MT125 2020. So, we don't need any special tools for doing this job. First of all, what I showed you my way anyway. For me, it's easy way to actually replace the cable, to take this old cable off. So what we do, you see in here, what you have to do, you actually need to adjust these two boys in here, and to make sure that actually the cable can go like this. So you press it and it goes out just like that, as you see. Voila. And it's loose in here. So on the bottom, I'll try to show you the best. If you see, on the bottom is just like a pin, like this. It goes in here. It's easy done, really. So basically, of course, get your rubber off, that's your protection. Leave that one up there. As in here, you see it's been cut because I was removing all this stuff and respraying. Also, it's going to be on a video. I'm probably not going to show you how to remove it. I'm just going to explain you what have to be done to actually remove it. It's very easy, and yeah. But yeah, let's crack on. So we got this part off. Usually you will slide it down so you don't have to cut nothing in here. So as we see, we got zip ties in here, 1, 2, basically now actually we got just the one in here, and it goes down through in here to the unit in here. So let's crack on and cut this one off. I will put the new ones back and try to get it as much as we can down this cable. To get this cable down, of course I'm going to use the knife, but for you guys, whatever's easier, whatever you got, just take it and use it. So let's get this far. So we got so far already, and what we got in here, we actually will try to slide it down as much as we can. Makes it a little bit easier, just like this. And basically cable is nearly off already. As I said, it's so easy. So let's crack on in this side, and you see there is two little boys which you need to unloose. This one in here, this side, it's gonna be a 12mm spanner. You can use it for it. I actually undone already, so for me it's much easier. Just undo this bolt, screw, whatever, and what you do, just push, pull your way and release, just like that. And that's it, basically. And it comes off from the clutch thingy, which is up there. How to show you the best way. And you see there is like a little hole in here where the actually cable goes, but I'll show you step by step how I put the new one on anyway. So yeah, so that's that's actually off with no problem whatsoever. And we got the new one in here. So you see already on the new one, you still got the rubber on in here. You got the two boys up there, and plus it's nice and fresh. Nothing is being broken. As you see, this one has been snapped. I mean, the clutch was still working, but we're not using the parts like this on the bikes anyway. But that's me. So yeah, and let's crack on to put the new one on. Okay guys, first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to basically place this cable to I'm not going to connect the ends of it, the both ends, I'll leave it off for now, but I just want to put the way the cable actually ran through. So going through in here. It's actually, this job is so easy. So he goes through in here. What I'm going to do? Yeah, it's supposed to go this side basically. Anyway. Just goes through here to the top. Just like that. So as you see, I made my way. This one is still not been connected. Don't worry about this. And also that this one is not being connected. This is going to be the last one for me. I'm going to connect this end as the last one. We're going to concentrate more to this side in here. Ouch. Now let me place the camera and probably going to be a little bit easier. Hopefully you're going to see. For me it's very hard to actually film the piece up there. This one, remember, this one has to be removed first of all so you can place your cable in. But first thing is you need to get this pin actually to the clutch arm. The best way to tell what is it called, I'm not too sure. So yeah, you basically first of all you place that pin into the right place, which I'm going to do right now. It's easy, you know. I can't show you really on a camera. I will show you, but I don't know if you see good enough, to be honest. And it's not a hard job, really is not. So basically, as you see, I put this thingy already. That's the first pin. The second, of course, we remove this boy in here, and what we do, we pull it and we place this one in here to make sure this end, I'll show you, just like that. So this is your adjustment number one. Later on we're gonna adjust it as well, the clutch, make sure all works nice and properly. Okay, so we move to the top. It's not going to be easy with the one end, but what we do, we place this pin in here. Right, we place this pin into the lever, and basically what we have to do now, take this. It's going to be a little bit hard job. Remember, make to adjust to make these holes. What you do, you just pull. Sorry, I couldn't really show it to you, but because it was a bit hard, to be honest. Make sure this goes right inside. See, it turns a little bit. Just turn it down. Take your pliers or something. That's it. So we went inside, as you see, nice and easy. Well, hopefully you see it. It goes nice in, and this is basically your lock button. And you need to turn them, and they're gonna lock it. Basically, it comes up already, the clutch, like it works, as you see. It comes back, but my battery is dead. Let's put battery on a charge and try to start this bike up, and then try adjust the clutch, how it works, and show you how to adjust it as well. We set already the charger. Let's place these boys in here. The plus in here. And the ground in here, this side in here. Make sure it does the work. Minimum 12 volt. Boom. Yep. And yeah, leave that for a little charge, and we crack on with adjusting the clutch cable. Okay, so we did start the bike up, and the one thing, let's have a look. I actually explain you how to adjust this clutch. Let's pull this one out. So we got brand spanking new cable, and I show you the things what can happen with this thingy, the clutch. Actually, you have to adjust. There is no adjustment, just like I give you the pinpoints and you adjust it now. It depends on your clutch, and basically depends on your bike. So basically in here you got two boys to play. Yeah. So what you do, make sure this is not loose in here. adjust the clutch, you have to play. You know, you put your cable up, make sure it's not loose, it goes nice and solid, and then what you do, you release this one till the end, like in here, you see. So we got massive gap in here. But what I'm gonna do in my one, I will put this screw a little bit more in. So we use the 12. We don't want to go till the end in here. It's just gonna make it a bit harder, just like that. You don't want to do too much, because if you're gonna do too much, basically you will be the fully applied clutch. You don't want to do that. It's hard to explain actually. There's probably loads of videos out there about how to adjust your clutch and that, but for me there is no special adjustments. There's a one place and there's a two place, and basically you need to play, just play around. But if you got the old cable adjustments in here, just take a picture or measurements, do exactly the same in here when it was before. In this little pin there is actually marks in here, you can see what position you have to stand actually to adjust correctly clutch. For me, so that's a pretty hard clutch already. Basically I adjust that one, as you see, like this. It's not going to be best explanation, but adjust it like this, and I'm gonna just put in a little bit more inside, so it's nice and solid. Let's have a look, and we put on the first gear. You see, it just goes till the end. What I want to do, I want it a little bit better, so put on a neutral. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna release a little bit. Try it now. See, that goes more till the end. So what you want it to do, you don't want your clutch working like till the end. You want your clutch working at least half away. Well, especially for me, it makes my life easier. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this together like pretty tight. Just I will go till the end. Just put right in. So let's try it now. First gear, perfect, it's halfway. So put basically this one fully in, and yeah, it's amazing, it's perfect. It's not the best explanation, but like I said, basically you set up your cable, you put this thingy properly till the end, and then you start adjusting from here. So if it's like loose, if it's too loose, you can adjust it in here, which we're gonna do right now. We release this boy in here, and we take a 12mm, and we just dive a little bit in with this one. So that actually gonna make your clutch, I would say, harder. Have a look. Yep, it feels much better now. Let's have a try out actually. First gear. Yeah, it's good to me. It's brilliant. It is a brilliant job. So that's it about this video actually. Mostly I was showing you how to replace the cable. I'm not so good on an explanation how to adjust the clutch, but it's just a play game. You need to play a little bit, you know, and you feel for yourself which is better for you, the position when you're actually the releasing point, you know. You need to play a little bit, and yeah.